Hi, I'm Chris Ponsford. Today I'm at Monkwall Fisheries near Bridgenorth. I'm going to show you a brilliant new product from Korum that's going to make your life really easy. Have you ever wondered how you're going to get a product that means the likes of you and I can compete with the top matchmen? I've always had a problem mixing the right pellets, getting the mix right, getting it to stick in there. With this new Easy Method Feeder, it's so easy, even I can do it. And all you do is you just load your feeder up like this, pop it in there, pop your little boilie in the back of that, and away you go. Here we go. Ooh, very obliging fish. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. There he goes. That's it. Not the biggest one in the world, but winter's day. Very, very nice. Smash it. Well, I'll tell you what. I'm loving this. There you go. Easy Method Feeder. Even I can catch him. How good is that?